No, but I work.
I know.
I know, but I'm pregnant.
Oh, I know, but you didn't think.
Oh,
What do you think, Bud?
let's go. Woo!
Yeah.
Hey,
Well, Bud.
so excited. I know I've never met you, but I talked to your mom a lot and know you've gone through a tough story and know you wished for this for quite some time. So
2 years now?
yeah, 2 years. You just maybe wanted to wait for graduation. I don't know. Without
Big
Cole's
graduation
Tractor
party,
and
huh?
LS, I mean,
You
they
have
helped
something
us
over
grant
there.
this wish. So this party's for you. It's to celebrate all that you've, gone through and how strong you are, and you're done with
That's
high
stinking
school.
awesome.
So
Well, that's stinking awesome.
yeah, you like it? Oh yeah. So it's all
Wasn't
yours.
expecting this. I thought I was going to work with Mom and pick up a hood for my truck.
Got you. Well, I'm so excited. I know you waited a long time. It's all yours. It's right
This
here.
is sweet.
Go ahead.
I like this.
Oh, I know where you're going. To my house.
Taking that right now.